Hello everyone. We are going to review solving equations that involve combining like terms today. 4 quick examples and 1 assignment that goes along with it. Now we're going to start off with number 1. And I hope you notice that this one's a little different. Usually we're used to the variables on the left side, and these are on the right side, but as we know that makes no difference. But I want to point out that we have 2 terms that have x in them. And when you have 2 terms that have x in them on the same side of the equal sign, what we want to try to do is put them together. And I think we know that 8x minus 6x will give us 2x. Haven't really done anything to the other side, so we're going to just bring that 12 down. And then from here, I think you know what to do. We're going to divide both sides by 2 and end up with x equals 6. Okay, I'm actually going to move lower on the page and move down to number 3. And once again, take a look at what you have here. Notice that you have a term of 8x and a term of positive x on the same side of the equal sign. Here's where the equal sign is. So once again, I'm going to combine my like terms. 8x and x will give me a 9x, but do notice that there's still a negative 5 or a minus 5. So we're going to just bring that down as we are going to bring down the 50. And then we're going to solve this like we always solve this. We want to get x by itself, so the first thing we're going to get rid of is that negative 5. And we're going to cancel those out. Negative 5 and positive 5 are 0. I'm not even going to bother to write that down. And 50 and 5 will give me 55. And then once again from here, I'm pretty sure you know what to do. This one doesn't come out as nice as we like them to, but we will live. 9x divided by 9, that's just going to give us plain old x. 55 divided by 9 doesn't come out clean. You're welcome to leave it like that, or if you prefer, 6.1 repeating is fine as well. Let's go back up to the top and take a look at number 2. Now this one looks like it's going to be really complicated because we have so many terms, but it really doesn't have to. Notice where your equal sign is, and this time we have a 3x, a negative 2x, and a 5x, 3 different terms with x in them, and adding them all up, 3x minus 2x, that's going to give me 1x, and I still have this 5x, and I can do this in one step, if you're comfortable with that. 1x and 5x will give me 6x, and I still have the plus 6 and the equals 24. And once you get here, I think you're good to go. Just keep track of your minus signs. Again, notice that this is a negative 2, and that's why it became a 1x. Then finishing this problem off, subtracting 6 from both sides, we end up with 6x. That'll be gone. Equals 18. Dividing both sides by 6, we get x equals 3. And lastly, number 4, same idea here, but just notice that the x's, although both on the same side of the equal sign, aren't next to each other. Turns out it doesn't really change a thing. We're still going to take a look at 4x minus 2x and get 2x. We still have that plus 4, and we still have that equals 10. And once you get there, we're going to subtract 4 from both sides and end up with 2x equals 6. And then dividing both sides by 2, x equals 3. There is an assignment in Schoology that follows this video. Email me if you have any questions. Good luck.